Welcome to our tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Hi. Welcome to this video on the 5 most important charts in Microsoft Excel. Charts are an essential tool for visually displaying data, helping to identify patterns and trends that are not immediately apparent in rows and columns of data. Today we will be discussing 5 different chart types that you can use to effectively communicate your data. Column chart. The column chart is a versatile chart type that can be used to represent different types of data. It's particularly useful when comparing values between different categories. To create a column chart, select the data you want to display, click on the Insert tab, and then select the column chart. Line chart. The line chart is ideal for showing trends in data over time. It's best used when there is a continuous data set, such as sales figures over a period of months or years. To create a line chart, select the data you want to display, click on the Insert tab, and then select the line chart. Pie chart. The pie chart is perfect for displaying proportions or percentages. It's a great way to show how much of the total each category represents. To create a pie chart, select the data you want to display, click on the Insert tab, and then select the pie chart. Bar chart. The bar chart is similar to the column chart, but it's best used when the categories are longer in length. It's ideal for displaying a large amount of data and can be used to compare values across multiple categories. To create a bar chart, select the data you want to display, click on the Insert tab, and then select the bar chart. Area chart. The area chart is a great way to show changes in data over time. It's similar to the line chart, but has an added advantage of being able to display more than one data set at a time. To create an area chart, select the data you want to display, click on the Insert tab, and then select the area chart. In conclusion, charts are an excellent way to communicate data visually, and Microsoft Excel provides many different chart types to choose from. Understanding which chart type to use for different types of data is essential to effectively communicating your information. We hope that this video has helped you understand the 5 most important charts in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you learned a great deal from this video. Subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to get notification new uploaded videos.